A massive-sized black hole has been found gulping matter every second in space by the astronauts. Multiplying the mass of the Sun 3 billion times and you will get this enormous, hungry black hole called J1144, present for nearly 9 billion years in the cosmos. A monstrously huge black hole devours an Earth-size detected by the astronomers 7,000 light-years away from the Earth. This celestial object is growing bigger and bigger each and getting close to our planet. And we are getting light from this quasar for about 7 billion years. Insane, right? This behemoth gulped down mass equivalent to Earth every second and down, and growing every day into a giant hole of gases and dust. Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole, lies at the center of our Milky Way. It is a huge black hole with an average diameter of 40,000 kilometers. But can you imagine how much bigger this monstrous hole can be? It is roughly 500 times more massive than Sagittarius A. This is the biggest black hole discovered and so many speculations revolve around it. The reason that how this particular black hole can grow so rapidly is a mystery for scientists and astronauts. One of the most common assumptions perceived by the astronomers is that maybe two immense galaxies crash with each other and black holes at their center unite together to form J1144. These big galaxies had fed a whole lot of matter to the black hole and contributed to its growth. Black holes seem scary whenever we heard or read about them, but do you know how these holes are formed? In our galaxy, whenever a huge star finishes its life cycle, it explodes and collapses into a small object. This phenomena called supernova forms a black hole with a gigantic mass compressed into a smaller area. This results in black holes with a high gravitational field that swallowed everything, even light, in a matter of seconds. Black holes are empty spaces with super high density from which no light can pass, and there is no one similar black hole in this space. But there are billions and trillions of different black holes in our galaxies that are different according to the sizes and masses. Spotting a black hole in space is equivalent to spotting anything in complete darkness. There is no clue. But this monstrous black hole can be visible from a long distance due to its spectacular brightness that gives off brightness 7,000 times more than our galaxy. This is because whenever this celestial body swallows any piece of matter due to huge gravitational force, the particle will roll in a circular motion around the even horizon, an area around the boundary of a black hole from which nothing can escape in a full speed. The gravitational field inside a black hole takes hold of the matter and packs them tightly. In a result, the mixture of gases and matter is heated up due to the friction and starts moving in a circular motion. When these particles of gases, dust, and debris move inside a black hole and around its even horizon, it creates a round layer of hot lava. That is called an accretion disk. The black hole emits high-power electromagnetic radiation in form of X-rays and ultraviolet rays. The lead researcher of this discovery, Dr. Christopher Onken, commented that this monstrous black hole is more or less halfway across the universe and confirmed the source of the Guardian. To get the latest updates on science, space, and astronomy, subscribe to our channel and hit a like.